Here are 5 AI startups set to blow up in 2025. I hate preamble, so let's dive in. If you're looking for a conversational AI startup with crazy business applications, this one has seen 733% search growth in the past 2 years. It's called Boost AI. Based in Norway, Boost AI is a game changer in the field of customer-focused conversational AI. They develop AI-driven virtual assistants that enhance and streamline customer service processes. The founders of Boost AI knew they needed a platform that was easier to integrate into businesses. Their flagship product, the Boost AI virtual agent, is renowned for its ability to understand and respond to complex customer queries across multiple languages and industries. Now, they offer conversational AI across voice and chat. And with any automated system, responses are instant, which is very, very important to customers. More specifically, Zendesk reports that more than 72% of customers expect immediate service from the companies they contact. Boost AI has a wide-ranging list of integrations to ensure that almost any business can get the most out of their platform. So let's take a look at an example. Nordea Bank in Scandinavia has successfully implemented a customer service AI strategy using Boost AI. The bank deployed 12 virtual agents across 4 Nordic markets, including Nova, which handles over 220,000 conversations monthly for private banking customers. Nordea's chat-first approach has yielded super impressive results, with a 91% resolution rate for private banking queries and a 95% resolution rate for corporate customers. So why is this one set to blow up in 2025? As AI tech develops, the demand for solutions to integrate into customer service has absolutely exploded. Actually, according to Gartner, by 2025, 80% of customer service and support organizations will be using some form of generative AI tech to bolster agent productivity and enhance customer experience. Now, if you watched my last video, you know that AI chatbots are an area of the market that has huge growth potential. Honestly, if you want to bootstrap a tech startup and you have a decent background in AI, creating a chatbot's kind of the way to go right now. For the skeptics, you might think that people would hate to interact with an AI chatbot or chatbot of any kind. And I can almost guarantee that everybody watching here has had a maddening experience with some sort of virtual or over-the-phone chatbot who makes you want to put your head through a wall. So yes, people are wary, but they're not opposed to talking with chatbots. In fact, 80% of customers who have interacted with a chatbot have had a positive experience. And customers have no problem whipping out their wallet to make a purchase while interacting with a chatbot. AI personalization offers this hyper-specific way for chatbots to recommend personalized product or service recommendations. In fact, by the end of 2024, customer retail spending via chatbots is expected to hit $142 billion. That's compared to just $2.8 billion in 2019. These chatbots are doing things that they could never do before, creating detailed customer profiles from gathered data, predicting behaviors, and customizing content recommendations in real time. And probably one of the most infuriating things about the old days of chatbots is how unaware of how annoying they are. But AI chatbots can now provide context-aware, empathetic responses simply by detecting customer emotions and intent. Boost AI has already pulled in around $45 million in funding, and they show no signs of slowing down. So if you want to reduce operational costs, increase customer satisfaction, and reduce the load on human customer service agents so they can focus on more complex tasks, check out Boost AI. Did you know that studies show that employees spend an average of 31 hours a month in meetings, and 50% of that time is considered wasted? This next trending startup is called MeetGeek, and they aim to change that. MeetGeek is an AI-powered meeting assistant that aims to increase productivity in your virtual meetings. It automatically records, transcribes, and summarizes online meetings across platforms like Zoom, Google Meet, and Teams. MeetGeek provides real-time insights and action items to ensure that nothing important is missed and that follow-ups are clear and actionable. It's pretty cool. If you want, you can create custom branding for your virtual meeting spaces, include personalized summary emails with the company logos and colors, customize the meeting bot's name and the chat messages to align with the company's values. It also allows you to create predefined meeting templates with agendas, highlights, custom words, and KPIs. For scheduling, MeetGeek integrates with Google Calendar and Microsoft Outlook. For collaboration and communication with Slack, Google Drive, and Notion for automatically sharing meeting recordings, notes, and highlights. If you're wondering, there are also CRM integrations like HubSpot, Salesforce, and Pipedrive. For project management, Asana, Trello, and Monday.com. Now, I haven't used this tool personally, but I did do a little bit of digging to see what people thought, and overall, the reviews are pretty good. So why is this one blowing up in 2025? We all know that remote work has increased, hybrid work has increased, so I'm not going to bore you with a bunch of stats stats about that. It's pretty straightforward. Based on the average amount of time that people waste in meetings, they're throwing away more than 15 hours per month. And unproductive meetings in the US cause companies to lose $37 billion each year. That's an insane amount of time and money wasted. Tools like MeetGeek can help increase efficiency by distributing action items and understanding what people are really wasting time on and how we can cut back on that wasted time. Now, while MeetGeek has gone through a seed round of funding, they have not disclosed how much that round was for. So if you're part of a team that has frequent meetings, definitely check out MeetGeek. And if you're looking for investment opportunities, the AI productivity tools market has massive growth potential. Do you want to generate your own videos using only AI? I asked this new video generation tool with almost 2,000% search growth in the last 2 years to create a video of a polar bear sitting at a desk working on a computer in the Arctic. And here's the result. Let's take a step back and talk about Luma AI. Based in California, Luma AI is an AI video generation tool that's got some pretty remarkable growth. Essentially, it's a scalable transformer model trained directly on videos, making it capable of generating physically accurate, eventful shots. As you can see from these test shots here, it's done a pretty remarkable job. It can even create videos at 120 frames per second, which gives you this very slow and smooth motion. As I've looked through this new wave of video generation tools, one thing that stood out to me about Luma is their honesty about their current limitations. I think a lot of AI tech startups boast about how amazing and revolutionary their tech is, but they're not very honest and transparent about the things they can't do yet. And I think we could all use a little bit more of that. Liam Connell, the lead engineer at Boston Consulting Group, said Luma AI's dream machine excels in quality and scene diversity. Now, if you're a video creator like myself, then you've been nervously excited about the release of OpenAI's Sora. HP Newquist, executive director of the Relayer Group, said the point is not how Dream Machine is different from Sora. It's that it's available to anyone, anywhere, right now. And this is true. Depending on when you're watching this video, Sora may already be out. But the fact is, right now, Luma AI is taking advantage of this giant gap in the market, and they're doing a pretty great job at it. That kind of leads me into this next point, which is what are the factors that go into Luma AI's current success? And first, again, is the fact that right now there's this big gap in the market, that Sora is not here yet, and there's only a couple of other tools out there that are doing this at the same level as Luma AI. And second is the application of Luma AI into marketing campaigns. It's a huge opportunity. As somebody who's been hired by brands of all different sizes to create content and marketing campaigns, I know how much time and money people can save by integrating some of these tools into their campaigns. But of course, that means hiring less video and photo people. There's a trade-off. Right now, there isn't a ton of customization that's very easy to do with your own brand, product, services, but I do anticipate that in the future, and maybe even in 2025, they will release models that can be integrated into real-world campaigns very, very easily. For example, having a 3D scan of your shoe if you're a shoe brand and putting that directly into a video with other AI components. Luma AI has already raised $68.5 million as of their Series B round. And looking ahead, they are well positioned to keep excelling in the content creation space. If you're looking to invest in AI generation companies, there's never been a better time. There are limitless applications in marketing, education, entertainment, the list goes on. So if you're interested, go over and check out Luma AI for yourself. If you have any crazy prompts that yield interesting results, please drop me a link in the comments. If you're struggling to learn a language from an app, here is an AI startup that's going to take your language learning to the next level. Let's talk about Talkpal, an AI-powered language tutor. Unlike traditional apps, Talkpal offers immersive experiences like roleplay, character interaction, debates, and photo mode, allowing users to practice over 57 languages in diverse and engaging scenarios. We all know that gamification has had a huge impact on language learning. I mean, just look at Duolingo and their success. That approach has proved effective in increasing motivation and confidence and retention while improving language proficiency. Talkpal's GPT-powered AI tutor provides personalized feedback and adapts to the user's proficiency level, so it doesn't matter if you're an advanced speaker or a total beginner. Talkpal's unique call mode and sentence mode also trains your speaking and your listening skills. It has the ability to generate realistic conversations that simulate a conversation with a native speaker of that language. Full transparency, I have never used this tool. I have no need for this tool. I live in Portugal, but my wife is Portuguese and happens to be a Portuguese language tutor as well. So I already have weekly classes, but If you are currently using an app and you're looking for something a little bit next level without the budget requirements for a full-time tutor, definitely check this one out. As a side note, the data that AI language tutors are able to collect can be invaluable for understanding cultural behavior, marketing trends, and the underlying choices that drive consumer decisions. So why is Talkpal positioned to keep scaling exponentially in 2025? The online language learning market is expected to grow 18.7% annually between 2020 and 2027. So all in all, AI tutors like Talkpal are set for rapid growth, so keep an eye on this one for sure. This speech-to-text AI startup has had 809% growth in the past 2 years alone, and it's called Deepgram. Based in San Francisco, Deepgram offers developers powerful tools to integrate advanced speech-to-text capabilities into their applications. Deepgram actually provides APIs for speech-to-text, text-to-speech, and language understanding. Their transcription is lightning fast and supports multiple languages, and custom model training for specific use cases. With features like real-time streaming, on-premises deployment options, and scalable GPU infrastructure, Deepgram caters to a wide variety of needs. Their platform is especially valuable for enterprises and developers working in industries like customer service, healthcare, and automotive. If you invest or work with any social media platforms, you can leverage Deepgram for features like closed captioning, content moderation, and improved ad targeting based on audio and video content. If you're looking for a way to improve the accuracy of your analytics, automate processes, or improve search functionality within audio or video content, you can definitely benefit from Deepgram's AI-powered speech recognition tools. From where we stand, Deepgram and similar tools have nowhere to go but up. The global speech and voice recognition market is expected to reach $28.3 billion by 2026, growing 17.2% annually. And they are taking full advantage of this opportunity in the market because they have already raised over $85 million in funding as of their Series B round. So pop over there and check them out. That's all for today. As always, let me know what you think in the comments. If you want to see any videos about any specific type of startup, let me know below, and I'll see you in the next video.